And welcome back to Digital Toolcase. In this, I hope, quick video, I want to keep you updated about Frase 2.0. As you may know, I already made a ton of videos about Frase in the past here on my channel. You can find them starting from the beginning of Frase, one of my favorite AI writing tools. Now, the development of Frase 2.0 is taking longer than I thought, but anyway, they are still adding new features, and I want to show you some of the latest updates. Anyway, if you like this kind of content, as always, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and there is something important I want to point out for this video. If you want, for a limited period of time, I have a special discount, a 50% discount on the first month of Frase. You can find it in the description. It's a time-limited discount. It's only valid, I think, for just some weeks. Anyway, if you want to try it out with all the features, you can use it and only pay 50% for the first month. But I will talk about prices later. So I'm inside the new Frase 2.0 beta version. And as you can see here, I have a list of updates. Let's start from June 5 because these are the summer updates. For example, AI tools. As you can see, all these are AI tools. I have some custom ones because you can also create your own tools. You have Frase tools here, as you can see. All these tools are using at the moment OpenAI 4.0 Mini, if I'm not wrong, to generate outputs. And you have unlimited use of these tools if you purchase the monthly subscription of Frase. You also have the community ones. As you can see, these are tools generated by other members of Frase community. You have a really ton of these AI tools. So this was the June 5 update. Then we go to the July 16 enhanced automatic content brief feature, now available in Frase 2. Let's go to July 29. AI tools now available within the Frase document, because you can also use these tools inside the document. August 13. This may be important if you like to use API, because now Frase has API available. This is the first time. They never had APIs, now you can use them. Obviously, you need an active paid plan, and I'll show you later which plans include APIs. August 21, AI writing upgrade and community AI tools. As you can see, it's saying now it's using GPT-4o Mini when writing in normal articles, because you have two types of articles into Frase. I will show you in a moment. August 27, read-only link for document sharing, so you can share your documents with anyone. September 3, WordPress plugin updated. They now have a new WordPress plugin, so you can use and connect your Frase account directly into your WordPress website. Again, September 3, Chrome extension for editing content released. So this is a new Chrome extension if you want to use Frase whenever you want on the web. And this is the latest one, just released September 20, commenting system. So you can collaborate with your team by adding comments to documents. Now, here you have your integrations. As you can see, you can integrate with Google Docs if you want with this add-on, WordPress plugin, and Chrome extension. You have the templates section if you want to create your own templates for your articles, and you have your documents section. This is the main section where you have all your documents with different folders and so on. When creating a new document, you have three different ways to do it. You can generate a blank document and use AI inside this document. As you can see, this is an empty document. If you want, you can use a query, so do a specific research on a keyword on a query. You have a monthly limit or not, depending on your plan, or if you want, you can just use AI here inside. Start writing with AI, for example, by giving your commands or by using one of the AI tools. You can see here you have a list of all the AI tools. And in this case, you have unlimited documents in Frase if you don't use this search query feature. The other way to generate documents is by using this SEO workflow. This is the most common way to generate articles with Frase, and let's say the old way, because now you also have AI article wizard. In order to use this one, you need the Pro add-on. I will talk about it in a moment, but if you use the SEO workflow, you just need to click on continue. Here you need to insert your query or the keyword you want to optimize for. In this example, how to keep your garden clear. You can also import content from an URL if you want to optimize and modify an existing content. Create a document, and now you have this new document, but here you have your specific query. So if I click on this start button, Frase will analyze the SERP, because Frase is always connected to the SERP and Google, and will take data and information from your competitors on the SERP. Nothing new here. You have your different section with the SERP and all your competitors' articles, H2s, H3s, H4s, and so on. So you can take a look at your competitors. You have the people also ask section here. If you want to include these people also ask into your document. You have your outline section. Here is where you can generate your outline by hand or by using AI. And you have your optimize section. This is common in many tools today, but Frase was one of the first to use this kind of system to optimize articles based on topics and long tail keywords and LSI keywords and so on. And you have your links section. And again, here you have different ways to use AI. You can generate a content brief. You can start writing with AI by using commands. For example, write a brief and engaging intro, and AI will write it for you. So this is the old way of generating articles using Frase, where you can generate a section by section. You can obviously do whatever you want with this text. You can keep it, generate it again, and so on. And if you use it like this, you have unlimited words, but you have a limit on the number of articles you can generate each month based on your plan. But I want to use this specific keyword, this specific query, so I can show you the last and the most advanced way to generate articles with Frase. It's this one, the AI article wizard. Again, you need the Pro add-on to generate articles like this, but you can generate articles with just a few clicks. Now let's paste here this query: language English, country United States, and process query. Frase is working, is searching for info on the SERP. As you can see here, this is the first step. I can see all my competitors and I can choose if I want to keep all these ones or not. By clicking on this button, I can select or deselect these results, and I can click on this next button and enter my title or generate titles with AI. So starting from a specific query, I can decide to keep this one, or I can decide to use one of these AI generated titles if I want. Let's use this one, the ultimate garden clear out tips for busy homeowners. So this will be my title. I click on the next button, and here is where I can see the automatically detected topics. I can choose if I want to keep them all, if I want to get rid of some of these, if I want to add some topics. In this case, I will use these ones and click on next. And again, I can choose if I want to generate my outline manually or generate outline with AI. And here it is. This is my outline. If you want, you can also add instructions for each of these H2s. So if I click here, add instruction, I can manually enter a specific instruction for each section of my article, or I can add article level instruction. These are global for the entire article. I can also click on this AI tool and generate instructions for heading. Just to show you how it works, I can click it here and it's generating instructions. So these are the main points that will be used in this H2. You can obviously get rid of them if you don't like it, you can edit them. Now let's say I like this outline, I click on the next button, and here is where I can choose a tone of voice. You can also use a custom tone if you want by switching this on, and you can enter your custom tone of voice, or you can choose between one of the default ones. So let's try to use this passionate one. For the sake of this example, and click on the next button. As you can see, it's very easy to generate articles with this AI article wizard because you can't go wrong. You just need to follow instructions. Here is where you can review all your data before generating your articles, and then submit. Now Frase will generate your entire article using AI, using your instructions, and it will be even topically optimized. So let's just wait. Okay, so here is my article. As you can see, it's pretty long. I also have lists and tables and so on. I can click on this Save to Document. And now this article is an official document in Frase. And as you can see here, it's 100% optimized. If I go into this optimize section, I have a 100% score. This is the beauty of the AI article wizard. I have all my topics covered, the main ones, and this is a pretty long article. It's more than 4,000 words, maybe even too long. But anyway, these numbers are good if you trust this kind of scoring to have a better opportunity to rank. Now, if you want, you can stop the video and read all this long article while I scroll it. Obviously, I have all these H2s as we saw before in our outline. And you can see all the important topics are highlighted in my article, so I can see if I like them, if I need or want to change something, get rid of some of them and so on. I have a table here, and again, other sections. It's a very, very long and detailed article, as you can see. Let's go down again. Okay, so this is how the AI article wizard works in Frase, and obviously here you can edit your article if you want by selecting a text, for example, and click on this AI edit. You can improve writing, make shorter, make longer, change tone, or just write your command and do whatever you want. So these are the 3 ways you can generate documents into Frase. So I will say the Frase 2.0, the new version, is progressing quite well. Something is still missing, for example the chat section, it's not still here, but during all this transition time from Phrase 1 to Phrase 2 you can still use the old version if you want. You just need to go here and switch to Phrase Legacy, and the Phrase Legacy has the chat section. Now let's talk about prices, because they also changed something about prices in the latest months. And again, if you want, I have a special code for a 50% off on the first month. If you want, you can find it in the description. You have a free trial if you want, so you can just generate one article to try Phrase for $0. Or if you want, you have this solo plan. This is pretty good because if you write a few articles each month, it's just 15. Then you have this basic one, $45 for 30 search queries monthly. Or if you need unlimited search queries, so unlimited articles each month, you have this theme version, this theme plan. And then you have your add-ons, because, as I said, you can use AI Article Wizard only with this Pro add-on, is $35 monthly. And if you need API, you need this specific API add-on for $40 monthly. And again, if you want to really see how Phrase works, maybe you can activate this solo plan for the first month. It's 50% off if you use the code you find in the description. It's a limited time code, please remember, so you can generate 10 articles. And if you maybe want to also try this Pro add-on, again 50% off for the first month, so you can also try the AI Article Wizard. So this was my update about the new Phrase 2.0, still in beta but progressing month after month or week after week. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful for you. If so, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you want, you can click here and take a look at my other contents here on my channel. As always, thank you very much for watching until now, and I'll see you soon in the next video.